Starting with this amazing, do you think that aliens exist? Okay, I'm starting with such a difficult question. Okay, so I think alien exists. Yeah, I think so that aliens exist because you know, uh, if we can exist so that another creature on somewhere on the another galaxy and on another planet can definitely exist, because if we are existing over here, but I also think that not nearby the earth, not near to the earth and in Milky Way galaxy, it can be somewhere far, so that if it can exist, even if the alien can exist, so maybe somewhere really far in the another galaxy, because अगर वो पास होते, if they'll be near of Milky Way, in Milky Way galaxy or in like nearby the earth, so हमें मिल जाते हैं for sure, because uh, the science is that much developed now. But I think अगर नहीं मिले हैं तो I think they might be exist somewhere far. So yeah, thank you. So but I think that they exist, because if we can exist, so they can also exist, right? Thank you. Number two is quite interesting. It is quite interesting for me because I'm so much interested into this field, in this industry, or in this line. So the question is, what movie can you watch over and over without without ever getting tired of? So what movie I can watch without getting bored of it is, I think, Highway. Alia Bhatt's movie Highway, and Randeep Huda's also. I think I love Highway. It's the Highway is not a movie, it's a feeling for me. अगर आपने Highway नहीं देखी है तो please आप देखिए, because it's just amazing and a beautiful movie with a beautiful music and a beautiful script, story. Everything of that movie is on point. It's not same typical kind of movies, love stories and all that. It's so different. There's the girl who got kidnapped in the mountains, and the best thing about the movie is that Alia's acting and Randeep ki acting is on point. It's a perfect. So I think Highway is something I can watch anytime, and how much time you want me to watch, I can watch it. So yeah, Highway is the movie I can watch anytime, and I think it's the favorite movie of me for my life. Highway से अच्छी मूवी, हाईवे से ज़्यादा फील मैंने किसी मूवी को नहीं किया जितना मैंने हाईवे को किया है, एंड द सॉन्ग्स आर रियली अमेजिंग. So I'll go with the Highway. I think Highway is the movie I'll never get bored of. So, yeah. Thank you. Another question for me is that what are you interested in that most people aren't? Okay, so what I am interested in and people aren't interested in that thing. So I think spirituality. I'm interested in spirituality a lot, and I've seen a lot of people who are not interested in spirituality at all. Like in my normal daily basis life, maybe there's a lot of people, they're literally not at all interested in spirituality, and I am the one who is, as I'm growing up and I'm getting more and more interested into a spirituality. So I think, yeah, I'm interested in spirituality, and spirituality is not something you can describe, and it's just, you can give a definition of it. You have to feel it. You just have to feel it. And spirituality के बारे में I don't know what to say. You just have to feel it. It's something out of the world. It's in the world, but still it's out of the world. और इसके बारे में तो ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. Not something like special to say about this, but yeah, जय शिव शंभू, ओम नमः शिवाय, बाकी राम जाने. So the another question is, what's something people don't worry about but really should? What people are not worried about but they have to worry about it. So okay. So I think there's a lot of problems in the world for sure. There's this pollution problem, there's global warming, there's rape cases, there's this, a lot of things. But still, I think the biggest problem of this world is which we need to improve. Especially in India, this problem is like on next level. I think I've seen this. The thinking of the people, the way they differentiate between girls and boys, and I've seen it happening a lot of times so nearby me. Like, what do I say? Like, so I think बहुत ज़्यादा there is difference between girls and boys happening. So I think the most important thing about which people should worry on is like thinking. We should improve our thinkings, and that is what gonna be make. I believe personally, by foreign countries are like America, like this China, there's a lot of countries, they're much bigger than us for in development when it comes to, because I think because of their thinking, because they don't think of this rubbish, normal daily basis rubbish in their life. Because in India we are like keep on talking about girls, who keep on talking about boys, what they're wearing, what they're not wearing. They don't think of it at all. Like in India, it's so much matters. Like कितना फर्क पड़ता है what you're wearing or what you're not wearing. Especially girls. A girl is wearing shorts, she's characterless. That is not something how we have to make our society. We have to make our society much more so that we think of development instead of thinking what girls is wearing, what guy is wearing, is there in relationship or not. It's none of your business. And I think people are so much worried about you, what you're gonna do in future. It's your job, it's your thing. You are gonna do it. So I think this is what people in India especially need to improve and think of, which I don't think so anybody is thinking of. कि इतनी गंदी सोच है लोगों की which need to be changed. I think it's more horrible than global warming or anything like that. So yeah, this is something needed to be improved literally. The question is, what was cool when you were young but isn't cool now? What was cool when I was young and now it's not cool at all for me is having a friends. I think when I was young, I just felt having a lot of friends is like is something I can do show off of it. It's just like I can show people like I'm having 4 friends, I'm having 5 friends, I'm having 6 friends, I'm having 7 friends. But now I think I don't need friends, and it's not a kind of show off in it. Matlab. Yeah, so I think in childhood I felt that having a friend is kind of cool, but now I don't think so it's cool. Having a good friend, having a best friend is more cool. If you're having one friend, if that friend is loyal of yours completely, then you don't need that 4 or 5 fake friends. So I think, yeah, it's not cool for me now. Having a friend is not cool for me at all. I'm not interested in having a friend. So sorry friends, if I'm having some friends, so I'm really sorry for that, but I would like to say really sorry to them. But no, but I love my friends jitne bhi hain, but still I don't find it cool having a friends. This question is also again very interesting. If animals could talk, which animal would be the most annoying? Okay, so this new animal coming into my mind these days, and I don't know, I'm hating it or it's just I'm not liking it that much. And the animal name is monkey because they keep on disturbing me whenever I go on my chat, and they came and just I just hate them now. And so I think if monkeys could talk, then they will be so horrible the way they do all those things. So I think monkey is gonna be the most horrible if they're gonna speak. I feel that. So yeah, horrible, annoying, whatever. Okay, so the question is, again, it's quite interesting for me because what really need to be modernized? I think people thinkings, because I felt like in India, in country like India, people think being modern is being modern ka kuch aur, they've taken another kind of meaning. Being modern is something, being more easy to life, being more simple and more straightforward to whatever you want to get. It's not about being modern doesn't mean wearing short clothes or wearing cool clothes or something. Being modern is that you're more simple. You're not making yourself more complicated about thinking ye wo. You don't have to think that. You just have to be more simple, more clear towards your goal and all those things. So I think being modernized is what is needed to be modernized is our thinking. We really need to make our thinkings, mentality much modern, especially in India. In this lot of places I've seen people are like so cheap from mentally. There's this personal experience of mine. I think I should share it now. So I went to the क्या बोलते हैं cutting वाले को? Okay, so I went to the, do we call it barber or something? I don't know. Okay, leave it. तो मैं cutting वाले पे गया था. So I think I shouldn't tell this right now. This is again very interesting question. How comfortable are you speaking in front of a large groups of people? If I am my comfort in speaking in front of people, large group basically. So when I was young, like when I was 14, 15, 16, then it was quite difficult for me. I got so nervous when I speak in front of, like if I'm giving speaking with God in the prayer of my school and speaking some kind of speech or something. But now on that time I was like quite nervous kind of human being. I just got nervous and scared, and I was like introvert also maybe. So, but now I'm quite comfortable. I'm satak liya dimag. So, in the sense like I don't give a fuck now. I just got so much. So I think I am quite comfortable speaking in front of large groups. I can speak in front of anybody. Come to me. I'll speak in front of you also. You people. There's this question: what languages do you wish you could speak? Okay, so the languages I wish to speak is, I think I already speak three languages. I know how to speak three languages: Hindi, English, and Punjabi. I can completely speak these languages. And there's one language, French. I was wanting to speak. I was wanting because in past I was trying a lot hard through YouTube and all those things कि मैं फ्रेंच बोलनी सीख जाऊँ बस किसी तरह, because I know I love French. So I tried a lot, but कुछ मैंने सीखा भी था. And just हाँ, if you have to say hi in French, I think then if you have to ask for if how are you in French, so you have to ask like this, comment vas-tu. It's like comment vas-tu. Only this is what I've learned. So I think they still want to learn French. I think I love French. It's quite interesting language. So I think it's I'm not sure, but I think it is like that. If you want to say, if you want to ask someone how are you, so you have to say like this, comment vas-tu, comment vas-tu, comment vas-tu. Okay, like this. Okay, so question is, what are some of the best vacations you've had? Okay, I've had. So I think there's a lot of vacations I've had which is quite interesting. Up to बहुत times I've not gone to any place, but I think uh, there's a lot of like एक दो नहीं है, but I think last I've gone to like Vaishno Devi. So I think it was quite interesting, quite interesting, because I love Vaishno Devi. पहाड़ियाँ and all, it's a different feeling. So I think last trip Vaishno Devi, and whenever in past I've gone to Shimla, Masuri. I love that places for sure. So these are the best places for the vacation. So yeah, simple. Question is also about so much me. This is what kinds of things you like to do, cook, or are good at cooking. How they wrote it. Okay, fine. So if I like cooking or not, maybe they are trying to ask this. Okay, so I think I don't know if I like cooking or not. I don't think so. I like cooking that much. Like, it's not my passion or like hobby. It's not even my hobby to cook. But yeah, sometimes I love. हाँ कुछ जाके बना लिया सो बना लिया, but I make my tea by myself. So I make my tea by myself. So I think I only know how to make tea, Maggi, parantha, roti, and bharta. There was one day when I made bharta, which was really tasty, but I put it the extra oil in there, it's got horrible. So थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया था तेल, but bharta it was quite tasty. So, yeah, bharta I know how to make. This is also a quite personal question. Uh, what's the most recent show you've been watched? I think the recent show I've watched is How I Met Your Mother. I'm watching Star World पे आता है. It's an English show, How I Met Your Mother. So I watch that show regularly. Like, so I think last भी मैंने वही देखा है. I think so. Question is, I'm so excited to answer. What's your haunted house story? Okay, so my haunted house story is there was the day when Mama was not at the house, and I was here in Hasi, and Mama was in Delhi, and I was alone घर पे for sure, and I was just watching the TV light बंद करके, is in this room. I think इसी room का है, in this room, और बाकी room बंद थे सब, दरवाजा वगैरह and closed, and I just slept. I was watching the film जब Harry met Sejal. On that time I was just slept away, and I'm having this problem which happens to me regularly in like month or something. My I wake up and my body sleeps. You're getting my point? Like, my mind got wake up, and I know I just could wake up. My body is not able to wake up. I've not been able to move my body, but my mind is waking up. So I think I'm having this problem. So that thing happened on that day. I was like, shit. I got shit scared. I can't describe that feeling. आई वॉज लाइक हाय राम, इट्स क्या हो गया ये। और उस वक्त यू नो देयर इज नो बडी विद मी एट होम, मैं घर पे अकेले था। आई हैव क्लोज्ड लाइटें सारी, आई हैव क्लोज्ड ऑन दैट टाइम, एंड अंधेरे में बस टीवी वॉज चल रहा था, एंड मेरे को वो प्रॉब्लम हो गई। एंड दिस इज़ हॉरिबल यू नो। ये जिसको भी आप बताइए प्लीज़, आपको भी ये प्रॉब्लम हुआ है कमेंट में कि आप सोए हुए होते हैं तो आप उठ जाते हैं, लाइक आपका दिमाग, यू आर वेकन अप, बेसिकली यू आर वेकन अप बट योर बॉडी स्टिल स्लीपिंग एंड यू आर नॉट बीन एबल टू मूव योर बॉडी। सो टेल मी दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। क्वेश्चन, व्हाट्स द कूलेस्ट एनिमल यू हैव सीन इन द वाइल्ड? इन वाइल्ड? पानी तो पीने दो, बोल बोल के मुंह दर्द हो गया मेरा। ओके, सो दिस द क्वेश्चन आई थिंक जो मुझे बिल्कुल भी आंसर नहीं करना चाहिए एज पर, बट स्टिल आई एम आंसरिंग इट बिकॉज आई डोंट नो आई वुड आंसर। ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल बीच यू बिन टू? The most beautiful beach I've been to. Okay, so I've never been to any beach because I've never seen, because I live in North India for sure. I've never been to beach, but one day definitely I'm gonna go to beach because my dream is to live in the place where beach is so near. You know, I'm not gonna completely tell you what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I think, but definitely I'm gonna go to beach one day. So yeah, keep on supporting me, guys. Funniest TV show you ever watched? What the most funniest TV show I've ever watched is, I think Modern Family is also an English show I'm watching these days and stuff. Damn funny, damn funny. I think, and if it come to Hindi show, I think Kapil Sharma show is the most funny. I think I love it, and you know what can be more interesting than celebrities sitting in front of you and laughing, and you know, so yeah. What always cheers you up when you think about it? What always cheers me up when I think about it is when I think that one day everything is going to be just fine and amazing. It's just gonna be fine and just gonna be super happy. Something cheers me up. So yeah. Question is a bit weird, guys, but ajeeb sa, you know, because okay, the question is, what animal would you most like to eat? What animal would you most like to eat? First of all, I'm vegetarian. I've eaten chicken also in my life. When I was kid, I think I've eaten a lot of chicken, non-veg, I mean. But now as I got grown up, I've become non-vegetarian because I don't feel hurting or killing any animals. So, but this is so weird. What animal would you most like to eat? So there's no animal I would like to eat ever. So yeah, I'm vegetarian, not pure vegetarian. I eat eggs, but I don't eat chicken also. You know, baki, you know, Punjabis eat a lot of chicken. I can't, मतलब खाते रहते हैं, but मतलब I think I'm the only one in my household only. नहीं, there's lot of more people, but still हमारे घर में there's lot of people eat chicken, eat murga, I mean to say, I'm sorry, but I don't eat it. I don't know, but I don't want to kill anyone. It's also very deep question. What was the most important appointment or deadline you missed? Appointment is like when I was kid, I think when I was I think 11 or 12 years old, I got the offer of this advertisement. मतलब ad में मुझे act करने का chance मिला था, you know, उस वक्त, and I just refused it. I declined it basically because I thought on that time I was like kind of introvert, as I told you so as I told you, I was introvert in that time, and now I just got so confident. But on that time I just refused to do the ad because I thought कि how can I'm gonna do in front of camera, how can I'm gonna act. So मेरे हाथ से एक ad निकल गई थी, अच्छी खासी ad. Can you believe this, guys? मतलब मैं टीवी पे आ सकता था, बट ठीक है, इट्स ओके. सो उसके बाद से ही आई थिंक इन माई लाइफ आई मेड अ ड्रीम दैट वन डे आई एम गोना कम ऑन टीवी, वन डे आई एम गोना कम ऑन टीवी. नोट इट आउट. ओके, सो यही आई थिंक मेरा सपना भी है कि टू एक्ट ऑन द टीवी, टू कम ऑन द टीवी एंड जस्ट kill it out. I hope it's not getting too personal. Bye 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 bye. Yeah. If you own a restaurant, what kind of food would it serve? Okay, if I own a restaurant, I think uh, Indian food for sure. Punjabi food, dal, naan, shahi paneer, but non-veg no, sorry. And I think I would love to serve pizzas also because I love pizza. I would love to serve pizzas if I open a restaurant. So this is also again very interesting question. What's your favorite holiday movie? What's your favorite holiday movie? Okay. Also very uh, kind of deep question. What did you dislike about uh, where you grew up? Grew up, I mean. Okay, so where I grew up and what I like about it and what I don't like about is I think what I like about this place is that it's quite simple. There's not that much of show off where I'm living, in which city I'm living. There's not that much level of show off. At least people are not that much fake, you know. But what I don't like about is a bit cheap thinking, a bit people are like little bit of backward, like you can say. But not everybody for sure. It's a lot of people. So yeah, I think so. Yeah, but the best thing about that is I'm born over here and this is my place and I'm gonna love it wherever I go in my life. I'm gonna come back one day and I'm gonna say it's my city, it's my place. So yeah. Come on, the next question. What's the oldest thing you own? Okay, so oldest thing I own is I think this is quite oldest because I'm having a coin from the British time, 1856 7. I forgot the number. How can I? Oh, I'm having a coin from the British period of time when the India was British India. उस time का coin I'm having. So yeah, this is the oldest thing I think I have. This is the oldest. Yeah.